Hey guys, Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. Those of you that watch my videos over the years know that I've recommended Kate Backdrop. Well, there's a lot of reasons why I prefer the backdrops from Kate Backdrop over anyone else. First of all, they're super durable. My studio is really small. I like to have seamless paper at that end and a backdrop at this end. And I just don't have the luxury of having multiple sets. So I'm constantly pulling this backdrop down, putting another one up in its place, and switching them out all the time. Very, very durable. They'll really last forever. I also do a lot of work on location, so I have to take a backdrop with me, set it up, take it down, pack it away, and they really do last a long time. Also, because I do a lot of work on location, often the backdrop gets soiled. They're super easy to wash. Just throw them in the washer. Use warm water. When they're done, take them up, hang them up, and you're good to go. If they're ever wrinkled, you just run an iron across them. And, again, they're as good as new. If you prefer, you could get them dry cleaned as well. The other reason why I prefer Kate Backdrop is they have a tremendous variety. All different types of backdrops in all different sizes. They have indoor walls, indoor rooms, the outdoors of houses and buildings, doorways and windows. They have a lot of themed backdrops like holiday themes, newborn themes, preschool themes, graduation themes. Whatever type of photographer you are, there's probably a backdrop they'll have that will satisfy your needs. They also have the classic like bokeh backdrops and abstract backdrops as well. Well, recently they contacted me and asked if they could team with me to promote their backdrops. I explained that I don't do paid reviews, but I really do like their product and I would like to be an affiliate. So they were kind enough to make me an affiliate, but I said, I really like you to do something for the viewers that watch my videos. And they gave me a discount code. In the link or in the description below this video, there'll be a link. Click through to their website, look at all they have to offer, put whatever you want to buy in your shopping cart and use the discount code Anthony Morganti, all one word, and you'll save 10% on your purchase. But they also did one more thing. They gave me this backdrop to give away. So if you'd like to win this backdrop, in the description below this video, just click through and there'll be a form to fill out. All I want is your name and email address. I'll be running the giveaway all through the month of August 2019, and the first week of September 2019, I will pick a winner at random to win this backdrop. It is a 6.5 foot by 6.5 foot abstract brown backdrop. So it'll serve a lot of needs, head and shoulder shots, portrait shots, all different types of photography will work with this backdrop. So enter the contest. Look in the description below this video. Give me your name and address, email address, and you'll be entered to win. I'd like to thank Kate Backdrop for supplying the discount code, giving me this backdrop for a giveaway, and making me an affiliate. I really do appreciate that as well. And thank you all for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.